everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay and I'm back today with a new video. Now I'm gonna let y'all know I filmed this video a while back, but I completely forgot to do an intro and all that stuff. So I'm here, this is a refilm, okay, and give you guys information about this product and everything. Now my girl Nizzy here on YouTube, that's my girl, she introduced me to Brown Leaf Beauty. They have an Instagram and a website, so I will leave all the information down below. But she had got the snap wrap, so I ordered one a while back and I received it. I will definitely show you guys what exactly it is. But Brown Leaf Beauty, they are a small business, they are Black owned, and they basically sell bonnets, masks, and I think that's pretty much it. I will link Nizzy's video down below so you guys can see that if you haven't, but I went ahead and got one because I really wanted one. I'm definitely gonna get another one, but I had got this one first. So let's go ahead and jump into the video.
Ryan Little. Ryan Little.
Brown Leaf Beauty. It came in this little bag. It was tied, but the other part came out. So in here they sent me, which is really, really cute, a little leaf. It says Brown Leaf Beauty, skincare, fashion. So they have skincare and a couple other stuff I couldn't remember. And they do have a Instagram as well as a Facebook page and the website. So I will leave all that information down below. And of course, they gave me a card basically letting you know how to wash the bonnet and stuff. So you hand or machine wash in warm water, turn bonnet inside out before laundering, machine dry or hang to dry, store in bag when not in use, iron scarf flat if it becomes wrinkled, place cotton cloth over scarf to protect fabric if it is a metallic print. So mine's definitely has metallic, I think it has metallic print. So in the bag is the bonnet, also the mask, and the wrap. So this is called the snap wrap. I am going to show you guys what I mean by that. But basically, here's the bonnet. I got the biggest one. I can't remember what that one is. I think it's volume. But I got the biggest one. And this pattern is oxblood, I believe. So it's really cute. I really do like the pattern. So I'm going to show you guys how the bonnet looks on me. I'm going to show you guys how the wrap looks on me. And then I'm going to combine the two so you guys can see. So here's how the bonnet looks. It's really cute. I decided not to put my hair up. Well, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair up. So this is how the bonnet looks. So next is the wrap. The wrap is pretty long. This is how the wrap looks. I did a lazy tie, but you can just wrap, you know, you wear it like a little headband. So it's really cute. And then here is the mask. It's gonna be hard. Take my earrings off real quick. Struggling. Okay. So there we go. Mask is cute. And now to show y'all how the wrap snaps. How the wrap snaps. Oh, that was lame. On the back of the bonnet, there is two little black things. And this is where you're gonna snap the scarf at. So the scarf has the same two things. So like this, you snap it. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair up. So you see where these ripples of the bonnet is? So you're gonna take the wrap and pretty much you're gonna cover up that part of the bonnet like this. And then I'm gonna tuck the remaining of the scarf in somewhere. And there we go. Really cute, definitely cute. So I'm gonna leave all the information down in the description box so you guys can check out Brown Leaf Beauty if you are interested in getting one of their snap wraps. I highly recommend that you do because it really is cute, stylish, and it comes with the mask. Y'all know we going through this. Comes with the mask. Okay, real cute and stylish. Don't remember the exact price. I think it was in the 30s or the 40s. I'll check the website and leave it down below. But that is pretty much it for this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. And of course, share this video with your family and friends. Go ahead and put the word out about Brown Leaf Beauty. Remember, this is a small business and it is Black owned. So we definitely need to support. And these are really, really cute. So I definitely recommend you guys get one of these. But anywho, if you are a new subscriber, welcome. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you not miss a new upload from yours truly. Once again, I hope you guys enjoy the video and I will see you in my next one.